Hi, this is Dr. Bragg with a tip for a pain-free Friday. Today I want to share with you 3 tips to help you reduce back pain during the holidays. I want you to enjoy your family and friends and not have any back pain. First, remember when we talked about Thanksgiving, I told you that when you were cooking or washing dishes, if you have back pain that radiates down one leg, to make sure that you put the leg that's painful on a stool, or put that leg on top of the ledge of your sink to relieve the back pain that's radiating down your leg. Well, take out that same stool and do your cooking and put your affected leg on that stool as you're doing your cooking. And remember, when you're washing dishes, to put your affected leg on the ledge of the sink, just like you did for Thanksgiving. Secondly, when you're shopping and you have all of these bags, I want you to alternate the loads occasionally. But put one bag in one hand and one in the other. And don't try to carry all the bags on one side, because that's going to increase the risk of back pain. One bag in this hand, one bag in the left hand, and then alternate them occasionally to reduce back pain. The third thing, if you're one who likes to decorate the home and you keep your decorations in a closet like I do, take that same stool that you've been cooking with and step on that stool and get your things out of the closet so that you don't have to get up on your toes and reach. Because when you're reaching to get things that are out of reach and get up on your toes, guess what? You're causing back pain. So I hope that these 3 tips are beneficial to you and will help you to have a happy holiday without having any back pain. Now, if you like this video, like it and subscribe below and share it with a friend. And I'm wishing you and your family happy holidays.